talking about the new program. This is the Microsoft Excel. So see, this is the Excel. This is called the Excel. This is the cell. See, this is the individual. See, it is in the form of the rows. This is the rows and this is the column. Okay, so each one is called the cell and it has the name. See the name here, the B, this is the topic title, and this is the column name, this is the row name. So B1, see B5, see here T4, T6. So whole area is called the sheet. Here this is the whole area, that is this is whole area, this is called the sheet. Okay, so a small thing, this is called the cell, this is called the sheet, and whole file, it is called the book 1. This is the program or this is the packet, so this is called the book 1. You can take the another sheet, see here the sheet 2, sheet 3, like this is called the sheet book, and this is the cell. Okay, thank you.